Hi everybody, I'm back. I know it's been a long minute since I've done a video, and some of you have asked me if I retired from doing videos. I have not. I just took a very long break from it, a lot going on, and just had to take care of it. Life happens, as you guys know. But I'm super happy to be back in my craft room doing videos again. It's something that I absolutely love and treasure. And I'm super grateful that I have some talent, you know, doing stuff. And the only talent I don't have is crochet. I cannot crochet or knit for the life of me, but paper crafting and all kinds of stuff, I just love dabbling in that. So, and I love to share it with you guys. I've missed you all so much. So today I'm pretty much just going to share 3 albums that I've been working on in the past week or so, and I really was not sure what I wanted to do. I kind of sat here once I got back in my craft room, and my mind went blank. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to work on. I wasn't feeling inspired, and I thought, you know what, go back to what you love to do, which is making mini albums. And so I just did 2 tried and true that I've done before, and it was kind of like not a lot of thinking went into it. It just felt natural, and it really got me inspired. So I did a Trifold Folio from this, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So I don't want this video to be too long and drawn out, so I'm just going to share with you what I've made and what I used, and I'll be back to do other videos as well. So some of the paper from these 3 albums came from this At the Beach collection from Paper House, and also some paper, and for some reason I didn't have all of it. I was missing a lot of pieces, so I don't know if I used, I've never seen these in the pack, but I did have enough to get me through to do these albums, and then I just took some from this collection. So I'm not sure if I used it before or what happened, but this is Seafarer from Authentique. Really pretty papers to work with, and it had some cut-aparts, real nice cut-aparts. And I was able to create 3, and as you can see, I only have some scraps left and 2 of the polka dot pieces. And some of the polka dot pieces still had, sorry if this bag is loud. I know my camera can pick it. Some of the, these are some of the cut-aparts. I didn't use a lot of these, just a few, because some of them are a little too vintage looking for me, and that's not what I wanted in these albums. And then 2 polka dot pieces on this side. So that's it. I'm really glad, because I really want to start going through a lot of the paper that I have, my paper stash. But anyway, this is a 6x6 accordion album, and I'll show you here. I used some ribbon to kind of mimic fish netting, and my mom actually picked this up for me a while ago because I'm making nautical wreaths, and this is a ribbon garland, and I thought, wow, this is going to be really cool to put in the wreaths. But then it was sitting on my desk, and I was looking at it, and I was like, well, why can't you kind of cut it up, you know, to make it look like fish netting? This is what it looks like. I just thought it was really cool. So what I did was I took some white acrylic paint and just kind of rubbed it on a little bit here and there to make it kind of come out more and make it look worn. So that's what I did there. These are just some 3-dimensional stickers. This was one of the cut-aparts in the collection. I left my heart at the ocean, and it has a ribbon closure. So I know for 2 of these albums I've already done tutorials on them. I will gladly link them below this video. It's for this one, and I know I've done a tutorial, I've done a few on the 4x6 mini. I am not sure if I did any Trifold albums. If I did, I'll post that up below as well. So when you open it up, I just did a couple banner pieces here. Made a corner pocket here. It says Sunshine and Beach, and then there's some photo mats tucked in there. And then this opens up like this for 3 more photos. And I thought the paper is light enough on both ends. If you know, somebody wants to put a photo here and just journal, you could do that as well if you didn't want to add all the photos. And then there's 2 side pockets here. This one says At the Beach, and I put on a seagull sticker. And this side says Seashells by the Seashore. And then tucked in is a journaling tag and photo mats on this side. And another says, you can never cross the ocean unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. And a photo mat there. And the pockets are large enough to tuck in more photos, you know, if the person wants to. Then I have a really pretty photo mat here of the ocean and sand, and I made a little crab there. And then this pulls out. Take me to the ocean, let me sail the open sea to breathe the warm and salty air and dream of things to be. And the photo mat on the back. And that just tucks in there, and it has a little ribbon pull to pull it out. And then I created a double pocket here and tucked in this, dream higher than the sky and deeper than the ocean. A nice photo can go on the back there. This is one of the cut aparts. And then I have photo mat in the larger pocket. And there's that pretty boat that was on the front of the paper here. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that look. It's so pretty. So I used it there. So it's not completely covered. And then this is the back, which I tucked in this cutout. You're on beach time. And a photo mat there. Tucked behind this pocket, which has a tag for journaling. Or another photo you can put in there. And then this says Sandcastles with a nice anchor. And then it flips open this way for a pocket on this side. And tucked in, I have one of the cut aparts and another photo mat. And then the nice large photo mat here, have a sunshiny day. And then there's another one of those pull out cut aparts that says, oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Could put a photo there. That just tucks back in, and there's that ribbon pull tab. And then this side I made a belly band. It says beach and enjoy, and I slid in one of those cut aparts, sail the ocean blue, and made another photo mat there. And then here's a journaling spot that says beach life, and I tucked in another really pretty photo mat for this one. And then we're back to the beginning. And the ribbon closure just wraps around the back, and then you close it here. And then this is my 4x6 with the display box, sunshine and seashells. And then I have a cute little lobster on the front, more of that fish netting, some seashells, and this ribbon closure wraps around the back as well. And then I have a corner pocket here with some seashells. It says At the Beach. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor, with a photo mat there. And then I have one of those flip out for more photos, and it has a magnet closure. 2 photo mats here, and then I have a belly band, you, me, and the sea. And then I left my heart at the ocean tag that I had used on these those two. I just decided to tuck that one in this one since I used the lobster on the cover. And then a nice area for a photo and a pull-out photo mat there. Made a double pocket here. Eat, beach, sleep, repeat, and relax and unwind. And then 2 areas for a photo. The pocket says sunshine, sand, and salt water. In the back here, I have another one of those you're on beach time, tucked behind this pocket with a tag. And then it flips open here, and it has a pocket here collecting seashells, another lobster tag, sun, sand, and happiness. And then behind that, I have another little flip out place here to add more photos, journaling spot, and more photos there. And then there's another area for a photo with another pull-out. And flip this open. I have a corner pocket with a seashell, and it says, breathe in the ocean. We live near the beach, not too close, but the beach is my sanctuary for sure. And I have 2 ocean photos there. So that's how that one looks. And then I still had enough paper left to do a trifold. This one actually has chipboard covers, and the reason why I did the trifold or the album this size is because I do a lot of 8x6 photo albums, and then you're left over with the 4x12 piece of chipboard. So those leftover pieces make perfect pieces for this size photo. So that's what it looks like all the way around. It has a ribbon closure. Again, I have another, I left my heart at the ocean, by the ocean. So it flips open this way. And over here we have a corner pocket at the beach. And then I tucked in some more photo mats and cut aparts into this big pocket here. And then on this side I have a bottom pocket. And again, I made that little flip out area for more hideaway photos and more photo mats, and cut aparts went into that. And then I just covered it with one of the cut aparts here, the seashell cut aparts. Thought that was really cute. And then it opens this way. So in the middle here, nice area for a photo, and then this flips open, and there's a pocket here that says seashells with 2 cut apart tags, one for journaling, and then you could put photos on the back. And I love this one with the starfish. And then there's a nice area for a photo here, and then when you flip it over, you have another area for a photo here as well. And I have a belly band in the center here. There's that beautiful boat again. And then more photo mats that just slide in here. Okay, so that's the center. And then this part here is the flip page that has a lot of photo spots. So this is the center. And then they just close up like this. And it has a magnetic closure. So that's it for the trifold. And like I said, if I have a tutorial on this one, I will definitely link it below. And if I don't have it and you want to see me do one of these, I will gladly do it for you. Just leave a comment in the comment section. And right now, all 3 of these, if you're interested, are available in my eBay store. I will post a link below to that as well if you want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, being so supportive. I appreciate you all so much, and I'm so happy to be back. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting.